Hello! Where we left off in the last episode, day 12, we were in the middle of our day en route from Lost Mountain Shelter over to Thomas Knob Shelter, a 12.5-mile day, which kicked off the Grayson Highlands for us awesomely, and the Mount Rogers summit was captivating. There's wild blueberries here, along with all the flame azaleas. And there's a little spring right down there we just got our water from. Cleaned out our little filter there.
Still got a little bit of in it right there. But...
That's alright. We can clean it even better when we get home, but that'll do for the time being.
Yeah.
It's just gorgeous out here. I had no idea. I think that the Grayson Highlands are even prettier than the Roan Highlands. It might have something to do with the fact that it's not crowded with a shit ton of people like the Roan Highlands were on a weekend, but I think it's the flame azaleas too. And the view all along this, I don't know. It's similar. It's very similar. The forest spit us out again and we're about to go across. But there was this nice bathroom here and I thought maybe I could get some teepee, but there's no teepee for us. So we'll have to use sycamore leaves again. Okay, I'm coming. Well, I love you so dearly, I love you so clearly. I wake you up in the morning so early just to tell you I got the wandering blues. I got the wandering blues, and I'm gonna quit these rambling ways one of these days soon. Oh. The littlest birds sing the prettiest songs. 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 I don't care if the sun don't shine. I don't care if nothing is mine. Scott likes to do a little trail maintenance while we're en route on the Appalachian Trail, northbound. He enjoys stopping to remove an obstacle with his tomahawk.
Doesn't give me blisters.
Cool. Now that big branch that fell down is out of the way. People can easily navigate the area. Good job, Scott. The Scotsman. Onward and downward? How nice. I'm collecting as much dry kindling as I can from around this beautiful spruce forest just at the south side of the Grayson Highlands. Look at that one. Because we're going to build a fire at our lovely campsite over here. Horse poop. Lots of wild ponies out here. But look at the beautiful little spruce tips on these spruce trees. You can make a tea out of those spruce tips. Tastes a lot like Christmas tree in a cup. And you can make spruce tip honey to sweeten it with, and it's even better. Check this out. Yes. Look at our campsite. Look at the view. You know, we have a very bonsai-like spruce tree there, and a nice fire pit. I got some kindling. Pretty dry too. I got the stuff that was like under the trees and not too wet.
I'll flip some of that stuff too to make it better.
Just love the smell of these. Wish you could smell it. We had found some more Lytoporus sulphureus, chicken of the woods, that day. So I was sauteing it up with some mayonnaise, which acts like oil when you cook it because it's mostly made of oil. We put it with this here creamy garlic shells, and it was fantastic. The guy we met hiking gave us this really cool lightweight retractable bellows. Blow into it to help start your fire. It's doing well. Look at that. Yeah. I like that. I really got it going. Ah, smoke in the eyes. There you go. Duck down for a minute.
Anything for a picture. You can come back up.
You can come back up. It's beautiful out here. Gorgeous.
Look better.
I got the oatmeal cooked just before it started to rain again this morning. So now we're sitting back to back in our tent, passing the pot back and forth to each other, eating our oatmeal.
Stop looking at me. I look horrible.
Oh, this is the life. Coffee and oatmeal in the tent back to back. It's kind of nice, actually.
Yeah, we decided.
He's warm.
We decided to live like this when we get back home as well.
Yeah, right.
In the backyard.
All right. On this misty Thursday morning, we shall now summit Mount Rogers, the highest mountain in Virginia. Okay, let's go. There will not be a view at the summit. It is very densely forested with spruce trees like this, conifers like this, are about the only trees that can survive the height above 5,000 feet. And smells very Christmas tree-like. And is beautiful. Deep, dark, and misty. And I love it. I love it. Muddy from all the rain. We've been hiking in, getting the shoes looking like that. Brand new shoes. And this is one of the blue, black, with gold speckles, endangered salamanders that can only survive in this elevation as well. We were reading about this. It's endangered. We didn't see it anywhere else and won't, but up here on this hike.
I'm not going to move it back over him because I don't want to hurt him.
Look at him. He's pretty.
He is.
That's nice. Look at that.
Yeah, can you zoom in on his face or something?
Hi. It was pretty zoomed in, but let's see. Oh, there we go. Yep. Got an even better zoom. I thought it would get blurry if I tried to zoom more. Wow, how pretty.
Yeah. I'll just move it over a little bit. There you go.
There you go. Cover him
So
back
he's
up.
not
Make him happy
exposed.
again. That was awesome. We got to see one of those.
We found what we thought was the official summit and stood on it and took a picture. And then we found another marker on a rock. We weren't sure which one was the summit, so we stood on both of them and took pictures. Well, I am climbing high mountains, trying to get home.